Wait, there's a plastic on it.
Whoa.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shiraz and welcome back to my channel. We are going to rate American candies. It's gonna be from a scale from 1 to 10, where 10 is pretty good and 1 is absolute shit. And for that we have Sonika Super, Banana Moore, and Shani Ramsani. Shani is a YouTuber. She is a YouTuber to be, and she is a YouTube consumer. It's okay, we can be together. Are you single?
No.
Are you guys familiar with Skittles?
Yeah.
Yeah? You love it? It's very chewy. You don't like it? I went to a kind of a corner store shop called Do and Read. It's like a supermarket, it's like everywhere in the US. And these are the regular size packets that they have.
It looks so good.
Look at how big it is though.
Is it one?
That's why they're fat and obese.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna hate me off.
10 servings.
10 servings.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's the amount of food they eat.
Oh my god.
How much are you gonna rate it?
7. Solid 9.
7. 9?
Why not 10?
6?
6.
I would give it a 6. Yeah, it's like good. It tastes good, but it's not like amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
Second one is Am I Beauty Brew it? How did they do it?
This is hands in the brown.
Yes. It's full coverage. They look like butt plugs.
I don't like them.
They look like nipples, look. I'm gonna eat it.
I'll take one more.
4. 8.
Yeah, actually I got 6. 6.5.
This one is a classic. Twizzlers.
Oh, nice.
That's long. That's what she said.
I like my stuff long enough.
Okay.
But I don't chew on it. Yeah. What does it taste like?
I really do not like it.
Oh.
It tastes like shit.
I know.
No.
Ew, ew.
We should give that to our Prime Minister here.
Oh my god.
Is that gonna be too political?
Is it expired? Ew.
No, it's not expired. I'm gonna give you expired.
It's fresh or something. Make it fresh.
Resealable bag. Where is that? How is that resealable?
Oh, they were
Did I-
supposed to open like this and then.
Sour Patch watermelon.
10. A solid 10. Oh my god, 10.
Look at something that is like, nope.
No, like 5.
It is so amazing.
Yeah, it's good.
I will eat this shit all day.
And then we come back. Yeah.
Become, thank you.
Okay.
So next, Welch's.
I'm gonna get tricked into liking it because they're healthy.
Where in this does it sound like it's healthy?
But it's in factory, right?
Is it like sugar?
Right.
Oh, you put corn syrup and sugar in it, so it's not good.
Not good.
Not
It's a
good.
trick. Reese's Buttercups. Have you tried them? Alright, fine. And you like them? Okay, good. These aren't pretty good.
It's like the chocolate and peanut butter together.
They don't good.
They don't mix together, exactly.
I'm gonna give this like,
We haven't tried it yet, though.
but I know.
Don't be
it
biased.
is- But I know it tastes
Maybe it's a new recipe. Wait, there's a plastic on it.
Whoa.
You're like, this is great, perfect. It's a bit hard.
good. It tastes like paper. Oh, it's better than I thought. Wow, it's good. You've been mean to the candy, honestly.
I'm being salty. Oh,
This gets a 10.
10, high five, 10. 7.
7, me too.
It's actually good.
Pop-Tarts.
The morning breakfast of Canadians.
Oh, there are 4 of them, perfect.
No, one is enough for 4, honestly.
4.
It's really sweet, honestly. Oh, that's.
Oh, there's 2. What's your rating?
Oh my god, no.
This is a 9. This is so good.
You like it?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so fast after that.
It reminds me of like Ben.
Yeah.
Like the biscuit. This is good. This is 9.
It's not. It's so sweet. The crust is sweet. The jam is sweet. The icing is sweet. You can get diabetes for it.
And that.
Damn, Sonny. What?
She's being salty.
Who knew?
Starburst.
Oh, it's actually good. Yeah, it's a solid 9.
You're right. What's your favorite of all the ones that we have?
Reese Buttercups.
Really?
Yeah, they were pretty good.
For me, I love Sour Patch.
I would say Reese Buttercups and then the Sour Patch.
Okay, I'll give you this too. I'm a merciful god.
God.
Sparta! But like, I think we can be unanimous in thinking that this one is absolute shit.
Yeah.
Do not buy it, do not give it to anyone even if you hate them. It sounds like a sexual stuff. See?
Yeah, you're
Let me spank! Oh.
Just hearing it, partly produced with genetic engineering.
Well, getting engineering doesn't mean that it's bad. Why am I eating it though? Thank you guys for watching. I will link their social media in the description box below. And see you guys next time. Bye!
Hi.
Alright, next one is Reese's Buttercups.
No. Feels the noises like kisses.
Hearts, Hershey Kisses. It's not hearts.